crafty friends, happy new year. I hope you stay healthy and crafty as well. And if you are new to my channel, hello, I am Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you want to watch these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, I am going to show you how I organize my Valentine's crafty supplies. Yeah, as you all know, I am in a smaller craft room, so that means there's no space for extra supplies, just the necessary. So I have my Valentine's supplies in a cart. So the cart is next to my right, so it's easy, accessible, and I can start crafting, right? So let's go back and roll the camera so you can watch the tour of my Valentine's crafty cart. Well, here is the Valentine's cart. So these are all the supplies that I have. My goal is just to use all this stash, and after St. Valentine's Day, if I have leftovers, I probably might be donating them or selling them, because I don't want to keep, hoarding too many supplies, since my craft room is very small. So I don't have space, and not planning to send back these supplies to my storage room at all, because the goal is to get rid of the storage room, right? So let's go ahead and take a tour. And first, let me turn the lights. Yeah. So here we go. Lights, camera, action. So I got these lights at Target. So they look really cute. So I'm going to come closer. So on the first tray, I hope I'm not making anybody dizzy, but on the first tray, I have my 6x6, gonna come, paper pads, right? Which are not that many. And then I have this envelope, plastic envelope that I bought at the Container Store, and it's full of ephemera. Yeah, all crepe paper, past collections, ephemera, some jemmies here. These are some of the confetti from Target last year. And I have this cute little container from Target too, full of already mixed sequin mixes. Yeah, that I just put those last night. And then in this tray, this is from Recollections, Michael Stores, I have all these stickers. Believe it or not, this is the stickers that I have. Then on the back, of course, these are my things that I put on, and some big hard doilies. Now let's go down to the next one. I had to lower my tripod's legs so we can go to this next section. This section, I got these little trays from the Dollar Tree there, and in each one, these are some of the kind of like washi tapes here and there. Then on the next one, these are some little cut aparts, little knickknacks here and there, tassels. And then on this side, I have more little kind of ephemera, loose ephemera, stickies, mini stickies, tags from Target, foamies that I received in swaps, and more foamies. Then on this side, I have this chipboard. I believe I received this chipboard in a swap. I haven't used it. And then in these plastic containers, like photo holders, I have some of the ribbons. This other one, it's full of ephemera pieces, but not crepe paper collection. I think that was my Mind's Eye or Pebbles from last year. And then over here, Hard Day ephemera, more of the big stickies here and there. And then on the bottom, I have this little tray. I'm just gonna put this here like that. So in this little tray, I have some of the tools, flowers, more flowers, more flowers, big cut aparts, straws, then some of kind of like, these are from Studio Calico. These are like almost like journaling cards. Then I have some cut aparts that I put together 2 years ago. Haven't used them. Some of the taggies from Target from 2 years ago or 3 years ago. And then here's the ribbon trims, more trim. Then this other container, I have more of hard foamies here. Then here, this other big plastic bin. This is where my 12 by 12 paper is, and I'm gonna take it out. Let's go ahead and take these 12 by 12 on the table. Okay, so here we go. See if I zoom out a little bit. So here's my 12 by 12 paper. More stickies. I have like a lot of loose papers. This should be on the other side that I packed. I believe this is La La La. Yeah, La 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 collection. More La La La. Not Fa La La, but La La La. Then this other one, I believe this is from Authentique, like more pinky rosy, some loose stuff, more scraps. I have them over here. Yeah, this is Kissing Booth from Simple Stories. I got Kaiser Craft. These are like sticky doilies, which is like super cute. And then here's a full from Pebbles. I don't know if you guys have this collection. I think this collection came up more than a year ago, I believe. And I use only a few of them. I put like pocket letters and things like that. And Photo Play, which is like beautiful. A lot of more Photo Play. Oh no, Simple Stories, Pebbles. These are like loose. They're loose as goose. More. And Get Together. This is Martha Stewart, probably 2018. Yeah. And I like this one. I believe I got these at Michael's Valentine's Day. And I like these. They have like really nice little hearts here and there. So I like these. So yeah, so I have this container full of all that paper. So I have them on the third tray. Yeah, as you can see, I have things arranged based on how I'm going to be using them. Of course, the 12 by 12 papers, I'm planning to do some journals here and there, so I can journal the month of February here and there. So yeah, so it's easy. It's next to my crafty table, which is super organized. I hope this video have given you some ideas on how to organize your Valentine supplies, you know, it's really good to have them in front of you, next to you, so it's easy to craft and all that. So, and if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, please hit that button and subscribe, and see you next time, my crafty friends. Bye.